Looking for the best air fryers in this video, we've selected the top 5 options based on performance, features, value, and customer reviews. Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6 Cutie. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6 Cutie, a powerful 2024 air fryer featuring a PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket, TurboBlaze airflow, and 9 versatile cooking functions for healthier, faster meals. Priced at around $85.36, it offers premium features like a ceramic non-stick basket, 450 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, and 9 cooking modes, making it an excellent value for families and everyday cooking. Large 6-quart capacity, ideal for 3 to 5 people. 9 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. Wide 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range for everything from dehydrating fruit to crispy fries. TurboBlaze technology with 5 fan speeds and 4 turbo modes for faster, more even cooking. PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating for healthier cooking and easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate. Bright LED touchscreen with customizable preheat settings. Includes a recipe book and access to 100+ in-app recipes with nutrition information. Pros: excellent cooking performance with crispy, even results. Safe PFAS-free ceramic coating. Quiet operation and easy-to-use controls. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe accessories. Great value for the features offered. Cons: no Wi-Fi or smart home compatibility. 6-quart capacity may be small for very large families. Matte exterior can show fingerprints over time. Number 4. Ninja XL Air Fryer Pro AF181. Ninja XL Air Fryer AF181, a powerful 6.5-quart air fryer featuring max crisp technology, 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooking, and 6 versatile functions for fast, crispy, and delicious meals. Priced at around $119.99, this air fryer offers premium performance, a large cooking capacity, and Ninja's signature max crisp technology, making it a great investment for families and frequent air fryer users. Spacious 6.5-quart capacity, perfect for families of 4 to 6 people. 6-in-1 cooking functions: max crisp, air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Max Crisp technology delivers extra crispy results using superheated airflow. Wide temperature range from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 240 degrees Celsius, for versatile cooking. Powerful 1750W heating system cooks food quickly and evenly. Large basket fits up to 5 pounds of French fries or 9 pounds of chicken wings. Non-stick basket and crisper plate make food release easy and cleanup simple. Touch screen controls with programmable timer, temperature control, and automatic shutoff. Includes a 20-recipe cookbook to help you get started. Pros: excellent crisping performance with max crisp technology. Large capacity for family-sized meals. Fast cooking with powerful 1750W heating. Easy to clean non-stick basket and crisper plate. Simple touchscreen controls with multiple cooking modes. Cons: no Wi-Fi or smart home compatibility. Non-stick coating requires careful use to prevent scratches. Slightly more expensive than many basic air fryers. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 Cutie Air Fryer. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 Cutie Air Fryer, a premium 6-quart air fryer featuring even crisp technology, 6 versatile cooking functions, and a sleek stainless steel design for fast, crispy, and healthier cooking. Priced at around $139.99, the Vortex Plus delivers premium build quality, consistent cooking performance, and easy cleanup, making it an excellent choice for home cooks who want reliable everyday results. Spacious 6-quart capacity, ideal for families of 3 to 5 people. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Even crisp technology delivers crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Wide temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating to roasting. Powerful 1700W heating system ensures fast preheating and even cooking. Stylish stainless steel exterior with an easy-to-use digital touchscreen. Dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and tray make cleanup quick and convenient. One-touch smart cooking programs for popular foods like fries, chicken, vegetables, and baked treats. Pros. Excellent even crisp, technology for crispy, even cooking. Premium stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Fast cooking with simple touchscreen controls. Dishwasher-safe basket for easy cleaning. Quiet operation and reliable performance from the makers of Instant Pot. Cons. Maximum temperature is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than some competitors that reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No Wi-Fi or smart home compatibility. Premium price compared to many 6-quart air fryers. Number 2. Ninja DZ550 Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer. Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10 QD DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, a premium dual basket air fryer with smart cook technology, letting you cook 2 different meals at the same time with perfect results. Priced at around $169.99, this premium air fryer offers dual cooking zones, a built-in smart thermometer, and advanced cooking modes, making it an excellent value for large families and meal prep. Huge 10-quart capacity with 2 independent 5-quart baskets. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. DualZone technology lets you cook 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time. Smart Finish synchronizes cooking so both baskets finish together. Match Cook copies the same settings to both baskets for larger batches. Built-in Foodi smart thermometer monitors food for perfect doneness without guesswork. Temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with powerful 1690W performance. PFAS-free non-stick coating, dishwasher-safe crisper plates, and easy-to-clean baskets. Includes IQ boost for faster cooking when both baskets are in use. Pros. Dual baskets save time by cooking 2 meals simultaneously. Smart thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meat every time. Smart Finish and Match Cook are incredibly convenient. Large 10-quart capacity is ideal for families and entertaining. Easy to clean dishwasher-safe accessories with PFAS-free coating. Cons. Premium price compared to single-basket air fryers. Large size requires significant counter space. Heavier than most air fryers at nearly 20 pounds. Number 1. Chefman TurboFry 8QT Air Fryer. Chefman TurboFry 8QT Air Fryer, a spacious family-size air fryer with a 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry mode, rapid air technology, and 4 versatile cooking functions for crispy, healthier meals. Priced at around $119.99, this 8-quart air fryer offers a large cooking capacity, fast performance, and user-friendly features, making it a great value for busy households. Large 8-quart capacity, perfect for families of 4 to 6 people. 4-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. High fry mode boosts heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for extra crispy fries, wings, and snacks. Powerful 1700W rapid air technology cooks food quickly and evenly with little to no oil. Easy-to-use digital touch controls with programmable settings. Built-in LED shake reminder helps ensure even cooking and crispier results. Non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Stylish stainless steel finish complements any modern kitchen. Pros. Large 8-quart basket is ideal for family-sized meals. High fry mode delivers extra crispy food. Simple touchscreen controls with helpful shake reminder. Fast cooking with 1700W rapid air technology. Dishwasher-safe basket for easy cleanup. Cons. No Wi-Fi or smart home compatibility. Fewer cooking functions than some premium competitors. Takes up more counter space due to its larger size. If you're looking for a large capacity, easy-to-use air fryer with crispy performance and family-friendly features, the Chefman TurboFry 8QT is an excellent choice. Check the product link in the description for the latest price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and